Yo guys, we just finished the BRZ in the Tiffany blue. Just finished taking some pictures, did some videos for Instagram. So now let me get off the car real quick and show you guys the final outcome. Bam bang, check it out. Yeah, it's a little dirty. Clean it up, and then gotta put a front lip on it, and then we're missing a few other stuff. We did the hood satin black, the roof satin black, the trunk satin black. We're still missing the spoiler as well, but so you guys can see. Oh yeah, we're still debating if we should wrap this in Tiffany blue or satin black. That's another thing we have to do, take it back inside the shop. I think with some tints behind, like the tinting the tail lights, would give it an aggressive look. Maybe powder coat the whole wheels like satin black or gloss black. But here it is, guys, check it out. Well guys, there you guys seen it. The BRZ we finally finished. Take it back to the shop, do some final changes, and then we're actually waiting for the lip and the trunk spoiler. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Till next time.